Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Alright, so today we have Vespersaurus. I have 3 of them, guys. We're gonna unbox this guy. We already did actually the 3 of these except for the Monolophosaurus. That could be for next time. Alright, so I made a custom paint already. This one has a slight difference. I painted the tail, you can see that, all the way down there, the legs, even the claws, and I gave it some black feathers in it. I colored a bit of black, and the head as well, the jaw, the lower jaw as well, you can see that. And then here's my fully custom paint Vespersaurus. I just googled the color and I looked it up and I copied it. There you have it. There you go. I colored the belly as well. There's the DNA scan. Now let's open the original one. Let's check it out. It's been underneath there. Alright, so let's take this guy out. I actually bought 4 of these, but I was like, let's return the other one. That's a bit too much now. Let's take it out. There we go. So it's a feathery dinosaur. It kind of reminds me of the Orthitomimus. I wish I grabbed that downstairs, but it's a bit late now. It looks like a giant turkey. And speaking of turkey, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Here we go. There we go. I brushed the back with some black paint in it. The head. There we go. The claws, I painted it brown. Even the feathers over there, painted a little black. You can see the bottom part, the difference. This is the original right here. There you go. Now we'll go to the fully custom paint Vespersaurus. It is a new species from Mattel. That's why I got 3. Painted the other one, and then this one too. There you go. Take it. It's still open. Whoops, I don't want to damage the paint. You can still move the neck going down. There, see, no damage. Move the arms. I've never heard of this Vespersaurus before, so I have to look it up, but apparently it did exist and there was a lot. Googled online, I googled the colors, there was like so many, so I chose that brown, black and white. And there you have it for today, guys. Our Vespersaurus video. Go. Can't wait for the next wave of Frenzy packs. They're gonna have the Spectrovenator. What was the other one? Pharaoh Dracovenator or something like that, and another Velociraptor. Alright, guys. We'll see you again, and happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe.